When you receive your home testing kit, you have everything you need to collect a blood sample and submit it to the lab for testing. When you are ready to collect your sample, open the kit and lay out the contents. You may wish to place a paper towel on your work surface. Start by completing the information on your blood spot card. Be sure to write your name, date of birth, the date you are collecting your sample, and your email address. You will need to return the entire card with the activation code on it to receive your results. Select the finger you will sample. We recommend using the middle or ring finger of your non-dominant hand. Clean the finger with the alcohol pad and allow it to air dry. Twist the top off the lancet device, an extra one is included in your kit, and place the tip of the lancet against the side of your clean finger. Avoid the middle of the finger pad, avoid the tip of the finger, and aim for the side of the finger. Press the lancet tip very firmly against the side of the finger. The lancet is spring activated, and you will hear a click and feel a poke when the lancet is activated. Fold the card as shown so the printed circles are facing up. Squeeze your finger to encourage a drop of blood to form and hang. Allow the first drop of blood to fall naturally into the first circle. Do not press or touch your finger to the card to transfer the blood. Move to the right with the second drop of blood and allow it to drop into the second circle. It may help to stand up and gently massage or squeeze your finger from the palm towards the tip. Continue with the third and the fourth drop of blood to fill the circles on the card. Be sure the drops of blood are big enough to soak through the paper so that you can see them on the back of the card. Use the gauze pad to stop the bleeding and bandage your finger. Leave the card folded in this upright position so that the wet blood spots do not touch any other part of the card while it's drying. Allow the card to air dry in this position for 3 full hours. Be sure to allow the blood spots to dry completely before adding fixing buffer. Applying fixing buffer to wet spots makes them unusable. After 3 hours, your spots will be dry and ready for buffer. You will be applying NAD fixing buffer to the first 2 spots on the card marked Fix. Drop 1 to 3 drops of the NAD fixing buffer to the first 2 spots. Allow it to drip onto the blood spot and completely cover the dried spot. Do not apply buffer to the last 2 spots marked Don't Fix. Allow the card to dry for 3 to 5 minutes before you turn it over and apply buffer to the back side of the same blood spots. Next, you'll apply buffer to the back sides of the dried spots you just fixed from the front. Flip the card over and apply 1 to 2 drops of NAD fixing buffer to the back sides of the same spots that you just fixed from the front of the card. Allow the card to dry for about 5 minutes. When the card is dry, fold the top flap of the sample card over the blood spots and place the card into the foil zip pouch and seal. Place the sealed foil bag into the prepaid return envelope. This is provided in the kits for U.S. customers who have purchased the kit directly from Ginfinity Precision Medicine. Remove the backing so that you can seal the envelope, and once it's sealed, it's ready to return to Ginfinity Precision Medicine via U.S. mail.